Good evening, students. In this video, I'm going to share the slides because we are going to discuss about time value of money. In time value of money, we have some formulas, we have some calculations. So that's why I need to show my slides so that you people understand properly. So let's discuss about time value of money. So student, first slide of time value of money, we are going to discuss about the timeline. So what is timeline? Timeline is a linear representation of the timing of potential cash flow. So we are going to draw a timeline we are going to mention a cash flow. So what are the function of making timeline? With the help of making timeline of our cash flow, we can understand first our cash flow is negative or positive, whether it's inflow or outflow. Second, we can understand that timeline table will make us understand a financial problem if we are facing. Students, like I said in last slide, we have a two type of cash flow. What is the first is inflow. Inflow is a positive cash flow and outflow is a negative cash flow. Outflow or inflow, the difference between outflow and inflow is, inflow mean the money is coming in the company or in your pocket. It's called inflow, positive. So when money is going out from your pocket or from the company, it's called outflow. It's a negative cash flow. And negative cash flow, we always marks minus sign. We have to mark there. So student, here is one example. Assume you are lending $10,000 today and that the loan will be repaid in 2 annual 6,000 payment. So mean 2 years. So timeline is 0 to 1 is 1 year and 1 to 2 is 2 years. So your cash flow is going out from your pocket. So minus sign on 0. It's 10,000 because today we are lending 10,000 but repay in 2 annual installment. It's 6,000. So in first year we write down 6,000 and second is 6,000. So the first cash flow at the date 0, which is today, minus 10,000, is represented as a negative sum because it is an outflow. Students, one more question. Suppose you must pay tuition 10,000 per year for next 2 years. The tuition payment must be made equal installment at the start of each semester. What is the timeline of your tuition payment? So here we have the answer, students. So they were saying that in installments, assuming today we start the first semester. So first semester payment occur at the date of 0 because they're saying that beginning of the semester. So 0 is the beginning of first semester, 0 to 1. So 1 is the end of first semester. So minus 5,000 in second semester, minus 5,000. Now under 2 minus 5,000, under 3 minus 5,000, and at the end of fourth semester, which is the end of second year, it's $0. So this is how we will do a timeline. And it's a negative cash flow because the money is going out of your pocket or you are paying money. And one more thing, students, let's change a scenario here because assuming today is start of first semester. So they were saying that beginning of first semester, suppose the question is saying you are going to deposit your money on installment quarterly basis and it will start end of every semester. So you are not going to mention minus 5,000 under 0 because they're saying end of each semester. So you will mention that $5,000 under 1. Student, now we are going to find out the future value and present value. We will calculate future value and present value. Here is the formula of future value and present value of cash flow. Just go through this formula. Look, the future value FVN is equal to C into 1 plus R over N. This is the future value. I mean future value formula of cash flow. When we calculate, we use this formula. C is a present value or coupon value into 1 or R. R represent the percentage, coupon percent, like 5%, 10% discount rate, all that things. N is a number of year, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Same, we have the present value of cash flow. Present value is equal to C. C is a coupon rate or future value over 1 plus R. R is your percentage and N is your number of year, right? So student, here we go. So student, here's one example. Here's one question. We are going to solve it by using the formulas. Suppose you invest $1,000 in an account paying 10% interest per year. 10% is our R. And how much will you have in the account in 7 years, which is your N, in 20 years, and in 75 years? So they're saying how much will you have? It means future value. So we are going to find out the future value. So present value we have 1,000 and our R is 10%. And our N is 7 year, 20 year and 75 year. So student, here's the calculation. When we do 7 year, so C into 1 plus R, R we have 10. So 1 plus 0.10 over 7. When we do 1 plus 0.10, we will have 1.10 over 7 is equal to, when we do the all calculation, we will have 1948.72. Same we will do with 20 year and 75 years. The problem is you are considering investing in a saving bond that will be pay 15,000 in 10 years. So we are talking about future. If the competitive market interest rate is fixed at 6% per year, what is the bond worth today? Mean we are going to find out the today value. So present value, future value we have 15,000. So here we go students. Present value is equal to future value, which we have mentioned that C, divided by 1 plus R. R we have 6%. So 0.6. 1 plus 0.6 over 10. So 1 plus 0.6 become 1.06 over 10. So we are going to calculate 1.06 into 10 times. And then after that we will divide by 15,000 and we will have $8,375.92 today.